Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to continue the chapter geometrical figure. Now, in the last video, what we have learned? Do you remember what we have learned? Yes, circle. In circle, we learn about its different parts. What are those? Chord, center, diameter and radius. Now, our today's topic is vertex and side. So, in this video, we learn about vertex and side. First we see what is the side and vertex. So a side or edge is a line segment, and we have already learned about the line segment. The point where two sides meet is called a vertex, and you learn it as corner in the previous class. Now can you identify what is the shape of this figure? Yes, it is a rectangle. And you know how many sides does a rectangle have? It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, how many corner or vertices does a rectangle have? It has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which sides are of equal length in a rectangle? Okay. The opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal in length. Can you observe type of angle does make a rectangle? It's make a right angle. It's make a right angle. That's why a rectangle is also called right angle quadrilateral. Now see. Can you identify what is the shape of this figure? Yes, it is a square. And you know how many sides and vertices does a square have? Yes, it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which sides are of equal length in a square? All the sides of a rectangle of a square are of equal in length. See, these all the sides are equal in length. Can you observe which type of angle does make a square? It's make a right angle. Here also it's make a right angle. Now see the next one. What is the shape of this figure? Yes, it is a triangle. And you know how many sides and vertices does a triangle have? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. Now in triangle there are 3 angles. It makes 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. Now after that we see how to name the vertices. Now a rectangle has 4 vertices. We can give them any name. Normally we start the letter of the alphabet and go ahead in the series. We can start at any corner and then go around all the vertices and name them. So we can tick this vertices and call it A, and use the word vertex because we are talking about a single point. Now we can go around remaining vertices and call them B, C and D. We know how to keep the name to vertices. We call them vertex A, vertex B, vertex C and vertex D. Now we can give the name sides too. Each side have end point that are named. So we use them to name the sides. The sides here are sides AB, sides BC, side CD and side AD. We can name the vertices and side of a square too. The vertices are vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R, vertex S. And the sides are sides PQ, sides QR, sides RS and side PS. Now after that, again we can name the vertices and side in the triangle. The vertices are vertex L, vertex M, vertex N, and the sides are side LM, side MN, side LN. So now after that we see here, this is a rectangle, square and triangle. Now here we see the name of the shape, side and vertices. So how many sides of rectangle? There are 4 sides and vertices 4 vertices. Now in square again 4 sides and 4 vertices. In triangle there are 3 sides and 3 vertices. But see, in rectangle opposite sides are equal and in square all sides are equal in length. Now see the next. Here we see the name of the vertices and name of the sides. First we see the figure. How can we call these figures? See, L rectangle L M N O and square P Q R S, triangle A B C. Now the name of the sides are side LM, side MN, side NO and side LO. Now in square, side PQ, side QR, side RS and side PS. In triangle, side AB, side BC and side AC. Now we see the name of the vertices. First seen rectangle. L, M, N and O are the vertices of rectangle and P, Q, R, S are the vertices of square. A, B, C are vertices of triangle. So in this video what we learn? We learn about vertex and side. Here we complete a first chapter, that is geometrical figure. Okay.